Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to be using toothpaste and lemon to lightening our dark underarm. Yes, this might sound awkward, that's but it's not that crazy that you think, because these two ingredients here are super to lightening your underarm in just 3 days. So I'm just gonna warn you guys, please make sure you're not using gel toothpaste or or whitening toothpaste, because it's gonna leave you with discoloration in your skin, and you might get irritated. Your skin might get very irritated. So be aware, do not use gel toothpaste or any toothpaste that has lightening product to lighten your teeth. So do not use it. So use the one I'm gonna show you that I'm showing you right now. It doesn't have to be Colgate, it can be any brand, but I prefer this one, and it has to be white. As you can see, toothpaste has to be white, just like I'm showing you right there. So it has to be white. Do not buy gel toothpaste. This is the best one. So lemon has excellent skin lightening properties, and it contains bleach agent that it's safe for your skin, and it's very natural. So that's why I'm using lemon, because it's natural. It's not gonna irritate your skin at all. So of course I wash my lemon and I cut it in two. You can see it's all juicy, and now I'm gonna go ahead and apply it. So I'm gonna show you first my underarm before I apply it. That's my underarm before. And now I'm gonna go ahead, I squeeze the toothpaste, the Colgate toothpaste, and make sure you rub it all over your underarm, and then squeeze the lemon and start rubbing it. And scrub for 20 minutes. Scrub, I'm sorry, for 5 minutes, and leave it for another 15 minutes, and then wash it off with water. And this is the result. Voila. After 20 minutes, the result is amazing. And guys, this is only one day. Keep in mind, this is my first day that I just use it, and I have 2 days to go, so it's gonna be clean and really clean with no dark spot under. The result is amazing. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please share with friends and family, and I'll see you next time with my new video. Bye bye.